All right, advanced math kiddos. This is your chapter A.3, adding rational numbers, notes. If you want to follow along in the textbook, you can do that on pages 518 to 520. Notes are not very long, so some of your prior knowledge is going to come into play here, but it is positive and negative rational numbers. So adding rational numbers. Here's an example. You're going to have 3/5 plus a negative 1/5. This is saying that you're taking away 1/5 from 3/5. In this section, it's very important to look at which number is bigger, the positive or the negative. That's going to tell you what your answer will have as a sign. Is it going to be a positive answer? Is it going to be a negative answer? So it depends on which one is larger. So we could change this from 3/5 plus negative 1/5 to just 3/5 minus 1/5. That would give you 2/5 positive. 3/5 is larger, it's the positive number. You're taking away 1/5. Hopefully that makes sense to you. Another example. We have negative 8/3 plus 5/6. So think about this. Your negative 8/3 is the larger number. So your answer is going to be negative in this problem. Starting with a negative number, adding a positive number here. It's moving you closer to 0. So in the book, it tells you to take the absolute value of negative 8/3, which would just be 8/3. And then you're going to subtract. So on this one, you would have negative 8/3 absolute value minus the absolute value of 5/6. You have to change this to a common denominator. So we have the absolute value of a negative 16/6, which would just be 16/6, minus 5/6. That's going to give you 11/6. And remember, we started with a larger negative number, so your answer would be negative. So your answer will be positive if you start with a larger positive number. If the negative number is larger, your answer will be negative. It just kind of reiterates that. A negative number plus a negative number is going to give you a negative number. You're adding more negative to an already negative. A negative plus a positive number, well, it depends which number is larger. If your positive number is larger, your answer will be positive. If your negative number is larger, then your answer will be negative. Example, 11/12 plus negative 7/12. That's the same as 11/12 minus 7/12. And your answer would be 4/12. Sorry about that. 4/12, and you can simplify that to 1/3. And it's positive because we started with a larger positive number. And that's it for the notes. So assignment, you can do textbook page 521, 12 through 21, or you can go to bigideasmath.com and do the chapter A3 assignment there. You can check your answers up to twice on that bigideasmath.com. Good luck. I'll probably try to find another video to attach to the email just to help you out on this section. If you have any questions, you can always email me. Good luck.